手机连到哪里？你手机原来不能连原车的是吧？
连了。
我把原车全部删掉了。
开始规划前往 number 9037是能来的那个路线，在 Stoneway Road 朝东南前行。
是到13点12分，13点12分，什么上去了？
都升了。
开玩笑，奔驰车应该跟比亚迪比较好，那里有个2.7最低配的，哎呀，他说你300其实爱上了一个发机架的，
是能来的那个路线，在 Stoneway Road 朝东南前行。
蓝牙也打开，
就每次撞上就行了。
你说什么意见？
反反复复的。手机拿放在屏幕那边，发视频。
这里网络不行，对吧？声音呢？
前往市超远摄，发现更多美。本节目由 vivo X30系列冠名播出，上奥买家挑遍世界潮货。本节目由奥买家全球购 APP 联合赞助播出。
干嘛？这几下了？
In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy more than one item on AliExpress. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is go to the AliExpress website or download the AliExpress mobile app. When you arrive at their website or you open up the mobile app, you can browse through all the options, all the categories, and find the items that you want to purchase. After you find the items, what you have to do is, on the item page, make sure you choose the appropriate color or item type from the page. And if you wish to add a single item, all you have to do is select Add to Cart. You will get this notification telling you that the item has been added to your cart. Now, if you wish to buy more than one item at once, you can just go ahead, open up another item, and also add to cart. You can do this as many times as you'd like. Now, if you wish to buy more than one item in the sense of quantity, all you have to do is change this counter right here. Under every single item that you pick, there's going to be this info quantity thing telling you if you get additional discounts and how many items are available, and you can simply keep adding more items as necessary. Be aware that the shipping prices might change, and all you have to do after you change the quantity of items is select Add to Cart. Once you are satisfied with everything that you added to your cart, you can go to checkout by selecting View Shopping Cart, and you will be able to review everything. Make sure that the quantity of items is correct. You can alter them if you wish over here on your cart, so go ahead and add more items or remove items from your cart, and then select Checkout once you are satisfied to proceed with the payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy more than one item on AliExpress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.